I'm a catch. But I can't commit to anyone right now.
Baby, please. Don't do this. I'm so in love with you.
Thank you.
Uy, ano yun? Ikaw na nga ng busted, ganun pa? Wala man lang kamura-amor?
She'll get over it. Lahat naman sila talaga nanghihinayang at first. And I can't blame them.
Bro, friendly advice lang ha. Try mong maghinay-hinay sa pambabasted. Palibasa, hindi ka nanliligaw kaya ganyan.
Philip, para lang yan sa mga imperfect.
Wow. So in short, mga pangit lang ang nanliligaw, ganun?
Ikaw nagsabi niyan, ha?
Grabe ka naman, bro.
Anyway, not important. Sec Kim, important. Ronnie, I need you to check something regarding Secretary Kim.